Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I want to demonstrate how I like to use this these two blushes by Nars. This one is Exhibit A and this one is TAJ Mahal. As you guys can see, Exhibit A is more like an orange red type of color, and then Taj Mahal is a very warm orange with some shimmers in it. It's a very beautiful color on its own. Both of the blushes are very beautiful, but the way I like to use it is I'll show you. I like to use these two together. They end up looking really pretty. And so yeah, so I'm using this Eco Tools blush brush, and this is like a dual fiber brush because since Exhibit A is a very pigmented blush, I don't want to be heavy-handed with it, and I really want to be careful and not picking up too much product. And yeah, so this is really gonna keep me safe and not mess up. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of Exhibit A on my brush, and I just like to go like up here on my high points of my cheekbones and just apply it there. So yeah, I just like to apply it there. And I really like to apply it here, like up here, because I have a very round face and I have very chubby cheeks, and I feel like applying it up here really kind of lifts my face up and kind of like you know, kind of contours my face a little bit. So yeah, after I just apply the Exhibit A up here, I grab a little bit of Taj Mahal, pat, and kind of like spread it out a little bit, blend it out a little bit like so. So as you guys can see the difference, I don't have any blush in this cheek, and this cheek I have the Exhibit A and Taj Mahal on my cheeks, and it just makes my cheek look very like healthy and glowy, and it just brings some color back into my face. Blush is one of my favorite makeup items that I love to apply. So yeah, that was my blush application of the Exhibit A and Taj Mahal. Both blushes can be, some people find them very intimidating because they look very bold and you know, they look very strong and bold. But if you are, you know, heavy-handed, I advise to use like a dual fiber brush like this, because a brush like this doesn't really pick up a lot of product so much as opposed to the traditional blush brush, as opposed to like the traditional blush brush, which tend to pick up a little bit more product. But yeah, these two are very beautiful colors for, I think, a wide variety of skin tones, especially for women of color like myself. It just makes you, well, it makes me look alive, and it just brings some color into my skin and makes me look like I'm not pale and anemic or anything like that. It just makes me look healthy. So yeah, it complements my skin tone. I tend to have more of a like a yellow undertone, so something like this really helps with that. And it's a really beautiful blush. I highly recommend it for anybody out there. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.